A few months ago, I showed you how to use NotebookLM, Google's free tool, to turn any winning YouTube channel into a content brain that helps you generate original ideas and create videos faster with AI. And a lot of you loved that video. But since then, Google has rolled out some major updates specifically for NotebookLM that can help you create even better, more stunning videos for your Faceless channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 major ways to level up your AI video creation workflow with NotebookLM. When you first enter NotebookLM, just click on Create New to open a fresh notebook. Depending on your objectives, you can pull in various sources or information from trusted sources. In this example, I'll demonstrate how to create a video using a script I've already prepared. There are several approaches you could take to do this. You have options like uploading files, fetching from a YouTube link, using a drive, or pasting copied text. I'll choose the copied text option and paste the script I want to use. This script covers the psychology of money. Once pasted, click Insert to have it appear as pasted text on the left-hand side. You have the option to click on the 3 ellipses to rename the source. I'll rename it to Money One and then click Save. You can also give your notebook a name of your choosing. Let's name the notebook Test. With the source ready, you can add multiple sources, but for now, we'll stick to just one. Something new I haven't shown before is the ability to add images as style guidance or character examples for your video. You can upload images as well. Click on Add Sources and this time select Upload File to bring in the image you want to use. With the image loaded, click on it to use it as a reference. Now let's explore the first level of updates you can utilize to create your video. On the right-hand side, click on Video Overview. Previously, we didn't have the cinematic option, which is a new addition. We'll dive into that shortly. First, let's check out Explainer. Earlier, we couldn't customize video appearances, but now there's a custom button alongside the classic options from before. To use a custom prompt, click the plus button to open 2 boxes. The first box is for describing a custom visual style, and the second is for what you want the AI host to emphasize. I'll paste in a detailed prompt I've prepared for this purpose. Now, I'll go ahead and type in what I want to say. For the first box, I'll input a detailed prompt outlining the texture, quality, and color for my video. It's crucial to be specific so NotebookLM understands your vision. In the bottom box, I'll reference the character image we've uploaded for the scene. After inputting your detailed prompt, click Generate. It will start processing on the side, and although it takes a few minutes, I'll show you an example of a prior generation.
You ever see this? 2 people, same job, same paycheck, but their financial lives are totally different worlds. Let's dig into that, because the real reason, well, it's probably not what you're thinking.
I mean, on one side, you've got someone who feels like they're constantly behind, always stressed out, just chasing the next dollar. And on the other side, someone who seems totally calm, secure, and is building a life of freedom. That gap, it is massive. So what is it? What's the real difference maker here? It's not about being some kind of math whiz or having these insane, complex spreadsheets. Nope. The secret's way more human, and honestly, way more interesting than that.
And this right here, this is the whole idea behind Morgan Housel's amazing book, The Psychology of Money. It all boils down to this. Getting good with money isn't really a math problem.
Real quick, if you're serious about starting a Faceless YouTube channel this year, don't skip this. I have a free checklist linked below that shows you exactly what to set up first. Download it now so you're not guessing while you build. Alright, let's continue. So from what I just played, you can see it looks somewhat similar to the first video I shared a few months back. The difference now is that it can incorporate custom elements you've provided and create something in that style. The only issue I'm finding is that even though I provided a specific picture for it to use, it created a version of the picture on its own and started generating images. Sometimes it maintained consistency, sometimes it didn't, but this is just the start, and you can generate up to a 6-minute video. This one's 5 minutes, but you can make videos up to 6 or 7 minutes long with this. If you're satisfied with the result, just click on the 3 ellipses and choose Download to save it to your computer. Or if you're not happy with it, you can regenerate the video. Now, the second level gets even more interesting with the new cinematic feature. To use it, make sure both your reference image and the script or text you want to use are selected, then click on Video Overview. This time, instead of using the explainer, we'll switch to cinematic. What happens here is once you generate it, it appears quite different from the previous one, which looked almost like a slideshow. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the customized instructions I want to use, including details about color and texture. I also described the character and specified that I wanted the character to appear consistently throughout the video. Then click Generate, which will take a few minutes. Let's check out a video I generated earlier.
People. They earn the exact same salary, live in similar neighborhoods, and face the exact same tax brackets. Yet 10 years down the line, they arrive at completely different financial destinations. One spends their nights staring at the ceiling, constantly stressed, feeling like they are perpetually running on a treadmill just to avoid falling behind. The other has built a life of quiet freedom, and from the outside, their progress looks almost effortless. It is tempting to look at that gap and assume someone simply ran the numbers better. We tell ourselves the calm person must be a spreadsheet wizard, a math genius, or an insider with superior financial literacy. Human behavior is the true dividing line between those two lives. Financial decisions rarely happen on a sterile spreadsheet. They happen at the dinner table, heavily influenced by fear, ego, and our own messy reality. People talk about money as if there is a single universal rulebook hidden in a vault somewhere. You hear sweeping mandates all the time.
See, this looks way better than what we had before because it feels like a proper video. It doesn't resemble a presentation. It feels like a real video. You can see this one is almost 6 minutes long. I noticed that when you use a specific image, it showcases just the character provided at the start rather than using the character within the context. One thing it really nailed is using the colors and aesthetics I asked for to build the different scenes. As you can see, everything about this video aligns with the colors I specified. Interestingly, instead of using the character I gave it, it created a different character. So that's something I observed. To incorporate a specific character into your project, focusing on aesthetics, texture, and description is key. If you're aiming to feature a particular character consistently in your videos, there are a few different approaches you can consider. An alternative method involves creating a slide deck. Instead of relying solely on video overviews, you would then use a voiceover to bring everything together. Let me guide you through the process. To start with your slide deck, click on Edit. Avoid clicking on the slide deck immediately, as that will trigger automatic generation of images. Instead, once it opens, select the Presenter Slide option. This is where you provide a detailed description. Here, I'll paste a prompt. I kept it simple. I requested a 25-slide presentation on the psychology of money with consistent character use throughout. You can enhance your prompt with more details if needed. Once ready, click on Generate and the process will begin. Let me show you an example I prepared earlier illustrating how it looks. After clicking into the generated result, let's make it larger for a better view. You can see the character's consistency across the presentation. The slides maintain a consistent texture and color, looking quite impressive. However, as these are generated as slides, you'll need to download them as images. From there, you can utilize editing software like CapCut or Canva to compile everything. Using this method gives you more control if a specific character is essential, but if you're flexible, the initial two methods I demonstrated are quite effective. If a particular slide doesn't meet your expectations and you wish to modify it, click on Revise, type in your desired changes and hit Generate Revised Deck. Note that changes apply only to the specific slide you revise. To make adjustments across multiple slides, navigate to each one and input your specific prompts. Once satisfied with the adjustments, click on the three ellipses to download your presentation either as a PDF or a PowerPoint. I suggest a PDF for easier manipulation in other tools. To create images or videos from your presentation, click on Download, which saves it as a PDF on your computer. The file will open as a PDF ready for further use. Next, bring your PDF to an editing platform like Canva. Start by selecting Video and then Landscape Video to get started. Proceed to upload the PDF you downloaded by clicking Upload and selecting Open. The file will be uploaded to your design folder, appearing as separate images. Before dropping the images into your project, ensure you add a voiceover. Once the voiceover is in place, you can easily drag and drop images into your project. Let's apply the images to the timeline by selecting Apply All. This places them in sequence for editing. While reviewing your audio, adjust the visuals to sync with the narration. You can add transitions for a polished look. Once satisfied, choose to share, then download the project as an MP4, selecting your preferred quality. This method provides you with greater control over generated images. Whether using the basic explainer, a cinematic approach, or a downloadable slide deck integrated into tools like Canva, these techniques help create a cohesive video project. Major ways to use NotebookLM to level up your faceless AI videos. The best part is that you're still using some of these features for free, but in a much smarter and more powerful way to create better ideas, better structure, and better looking content overall. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed for more videos on AI tools and faceless YouTube strategies. And let me know in the comments which of these NotebookLM updates you're most excited to try first. And if you want to see how to use NotebookLM as your content strategist, click on the next video on screen where I break down the steps you need. I'll see you there.